Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine building a business that pays you $3,000, $10,000, even $50,000 plus every single month, without touching a product, without massive overhead. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, your name, channel name. Here, we're talking about SEO strategy services. Not just tweaking keywords, but crafting full-blown strategies that explode online visibility for businesses. And the best part, the earning potential is massive. Think about it. Every business wants to be found online, from local shops to multi-million-dollar corporations. They're all competing for attention, and they're willing to pay premium prices for someone who can make them stand out. So, what does an SEO strategist do? You're not just a tech guru, you're a business growth consultant. You're identifying opportunities, analyzing competitors, and building roadmaps for online domination. You're literally creating new revenue streams for your clients. For the entrepreneur, this is your chance to build a high-profit, recurring revenue business from anywhere in the world. Imagine the freedom. For the aspiring freelancer, no prior experience, no problem. The core skills are learnable, and the demand is only growing. You're selling expertise, not just your time. For the existing consultant agency, stop leaving money on the table. Integrate advanced SEO strategy and watch your project values skyrocket. This is how you attract bigger clients and deliver truly transformative results. How do you get started and reach that $3,000, $10,000, or even $50,000 plus mark? Learn the fundamentals, understand keywords, on-page, off-page, technical SEO, and analytics. There are tons of free and paid resources out there. Specialize. Niche down. Become the go-to expert for e-commerce SEO, local SEO, or a specific industry. Build your portfolio, start with pro bono work, small projects, or even optimize your own website to show results. Case studies are gold. Package your services smartly. Don't just sell hours, sell strategies and results. Offer monthly retainers for ongoing growth. This is key to recurring high income. Market yourself. Show your expertise on LinkedIn, through content, and by networking. Businesses are looking for you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a path to substantial, sustainable income if you're willing to learn and put in the work. The beauty of SEO is its long-term impact for clients, leading to high client retention and those incredible monthly figures. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Start researching, start learning, and start strategizing. The market is huge, and the demand is real. If you found this valuable, hit that like button. Subscribe for more insights. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest question about starting an SEO strategy service? Let's build your financial freedom together. Visit us at digigenhub.com.